So good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. Now to those that are yet to subscribe to the YouTube membership program that is at the top, right? Also, you do not want to miss out on any single update, right? So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, you need to subscribe to the YouTube membership program. Check the channel and check the top of our channel. You will definitely see the link. Subscribe so that you will be able to go live with us. You would also be able to get special exclusive updates and some chat patterns, right? Many more will be covered. So just subscribe in order for you to miss out on those updates. Now let's take a look at what AUDUSD is going to be giving us. If you take a look at this your trend, it is very clear the overall trend, right, is in an uptrend move. That is your overall movement on AUDUSD. It is in an uptrend move. Market was able to rally up, right, to form an high. Then it did pull back to form an higher low, right? Markets eventually rally back up, push up again to form a new higher high. This is a pullback that's formed an higher low right here. This is a pullback that formed an higher low. Markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high, right? That eventually took out this previous high. Then when markets pull back, right, it's pull back to form an higher low. With what market is doing right here, market is now pushing up, so we should expect that push up to continue till it is able to take out this high right here, thereby forming a new higher high. So a bullish move right here is what we should be expecting on our AUDUSD. So we should expect that AUDUSD to continue that bullish move till it is able to take out this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, more movement to the upside, right, is what we should be expecting on our AUDUSD, right? AUDUSD, that is what we should be expecting, a bullish move. Now let's zoom it in right here, guys. Market was able to push up to take out this previous low right here, lower high, right? Then it was able to now pull back again. Market then push up again to form a new high, and then it pull back to form an higher low. Now we want market to the market is now pushing up, so we should expect that push up to continue, right, till it is able to take out this new high, thereby forming a new higher high. So a bullish move, right, is what we should be expecting. Still is what we should still be expecting on AUDUSD to push up and completely take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So more movement to the upside is what we should be expecting. If you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So